Hello, what is your name?
My name is Mary Istinoco.
How old are you?
I'm 51 years old.
What is your religion?
I'm Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have kids?
I have one daughter.
How old?
She's 12 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
I worked in Hong Kong for 17 years and 5 months.
Okay, do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am. In Singapore for 2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
7 years and 5 months.
Okay, so where's your employer living in?
In Mount Shan.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
986.
How many family member there?
3.
How many children?
2.
How old are they?
4-year-old and 8 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule in the morning?
Yeah, I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. Then I prepare for the breakfast for them. And then cleaning the house, marketing, and cooking.
Okay. Okay, so about dinner, what time you cook?
I prepare the dinner for 6 o'clock.
And then?
Then they...
What time they eat?
7:30.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10:30.
Okay, thank you so much.